Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a Charles Schwab International Brokerage account step by step. First, go to Google and search Open Charles Schwab International Brokerage account. Click on the official Schwab website. Next, select Open Your Account. Before you start, make sure you have these ready: your passport or government ID, tax ID or social security number, a recent utility bill for proof of address, and your employer's details if needed. Now, scroll down and choose your country or region. Then select the type of account you want to open, like an individual brokerage account. Click Get Started. Fill out your personal details such as your name, address, date of birth, and email. Then click Continue. Follow the steps, upload your documents, and submit your application. And that's it. Once approved, your Schwab International account will be ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.